Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Banking shakeups and tech downgrades. JP Morgan warns of paid accounts, Nvidia faces rare downgrade, and Bitcoin takes a hit. Corporate drama unfolds, SunPower in hot water with SEC, Gabelli's Paramount Skydance stock decision, and MediWound's potential takeover. Market movements, gold prices surge on U.S. jobs data, semi-stocks rally strongly, and a shocking UC Berkeley study on tampons. Stay tuned after this short ad break to delve deeper into these headlines. Marianne Lake, the CEO of Consumer and Community Banking at JP Morgan Chase, has issued a warning to customers. She suggests that they may need to start paying for services that were previously free. This is due to new rules which limit overdraft and late fees. In response to these proposed regulations, the bank is already planning on implementing these charges. The implication of this could be an increase in the cost of everyday banking for all Americans.
New Street Research, located in London, has changed its rating for Nvidia from buy to neutral. They believe the stock is now fully valued. However, Wall Street continues to show optimism towards Nvidia. Out of 54 analysts, 41 rate it as a strong buy. New Street still holds its buy ratings for other AI infrastructure stocks. These include Advanced Micro Devices, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, Broadcom, and Micron Technology.
The value of Bitcoin has experienced a decrease of 6.5% this week, dropping under $60,000. This is a result of the payout process started by the now non-operational Japanese exchange, MTGOX. The downward trend persisted as Germany's Federal Criminal Police Office transferred more than $75 million to cryptocurrency exchanges. However, despite these events, experts maintain a positive outlook on Bitcoin's medium to long-term potential.
Shares of SunPower experienced a drop of 18.2% as Ernst & Young stepped down from their role as auditor in the wake of allegations of misconduct against top-level executives. In February, the Securities and Exchange Commission issued a subpoena to SunPower concerning accounting irregularities, specifically revenue recognition practices for the results of 2023. Currently, SunPower is undergoing an internal examination with assistance from an independent legal firm and forensic accountants. This follows the necessity to revise financial results for 2 years, changes in executive positions, and a default on a credit agreement.
Mario Gabelli, a billionaire investor, might hold onto his shares in Paramount even if a merger with Skydance takes place. He holds the opinion that this deal could potentially be advantageous for minority shareholders and views the financial aspects as positive. However, he is holding off on making a decision until he can review the structure of the transaction. In related news, Sherry Redstone, an heiress to Paramount, has agreed to Skydance's offer of $1.75 billion for national amusements. This comes after her initial refusal of the proposal.
Gold futures have reached a peak not seen in 6 weeks. This comes on the heels of a rise in the U.S. unemployment rate to 4.1%. This suggests that high interest rates could be putting a damper on economic growth. The labor market's weakness has led to increased anticipation for a cut in the Federal Reserve interest rate next month. In other news, both silver and copper have experienced notable increases, with predictions indicating that copper futures are set to climb due to potential policy support from China.
Friday witnessed a significant surge in semiconductor stocks. Advanced Micro Devices experienced a rise of close to 5%, while Intel saw an uptick of nearly 2%. Despite witnessing a decline of approximately 40% year-to-date, analysts continue to rate Intel as a strong buy. Leading the gains was ARM Holdings, which increased by about 7% due to substantial partnerships with tech behemoths such as Microsoft and Google. On the other hand, Micron Technology suffered a drop of over 3% owing to potential issues related to overcapacity.
MediWound's shares experienced a surge of 35% after Solventum reportedly made an offer of $34 per share. This represents a premium of 118% on MediWound's closing price on Tuesday. Neither company has chosen to comment on these speculations. Currently, the offer is being evaluated by the management team at MediWound.
A research conducted by UC Berkeley discovered the presence of harmful metals in tampons, which could potentially affect large-scale producers such as Kimberly-Clark Corporation, Edgewell, and Procter & Gamble. The potential health risks associated with these findings are not yet fully understood but may pose threats to vital organs like the liver, kidneys, brain, and other systems. Despite these revelations, there has been minimal impact on the stock market performance of these companies. However, widespread awareness through social media platforms could exert long-term pressure on their sales. Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Remember, stay informed, stay ahead. Until next time, keep thriving in your financial journey. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Let's part ways for now, until tomorrow arrives.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.